What is another word for additive manufacturing? What is another word for additive manufacturing? Now I'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options is the correct answer for the question. And here is a list of the options. The first option is 3D printing, the second option is blockchain, the third option is synthetic textile, and the last option is geothermal energy. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me tell you what's the answer for the question. And the answer for the question is 3D printing. So that's the answer for the question, 3D printing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.